Hi guys, in this video we are gonna try to display images and text in our components and also do the styling. So back to our code. In our code we're gonna start with our NewHome.js. In here, first of all, what we need, we're gonna create a new NewHome CSS. So NewHome.css, and in here we are gonna import it /NewHome.css, and in here I'm gonna give a class name, and the name is div NewHome, and I'm just going to copy it, the name of the class, and just use it here. And what we need in here, first of all, we need the width of 80%, and also the display flags to be flags, and the direction should be flags direction should be a row, and also margin to be 0 auto so that it will be at the center of the screen. Now once again we need margin top to be a 20 pixel, and we also need the justify content to be one space between, right? Yeah, so this part's been done. Now what we need, we're gonna go to this fits.js. Where the fits.js? Yeah, this is the fits.js. Now in here what we're gonna do, we're gonna give a class name here also, or we're just gonna give in here the styling so that you can know how can we do the CSS in JS. You can see in here. So what we need, the width to be 60% of the of the container, and what we also need is display to be a flex. I'm just gonna remove it and just see it what we can do. Display flex and flex direction to be a column, so that all the grid, all the fits to be at the column way. And what we also need, that's it maybe. Yeah, we need some padding too. Yeah, so we need padding of, you can give like 10 pixel. Okay, you need 10 pixel, so it will be a left and right side. So that's it, that's what we need for now. Now back to our feed component. In here we're gonna display two things. Okay, just back to our code. In here, okay, in we're gonna get what we're gonna return in here. So if I just go Ctrl+Shift+K and just go to your component and use this, use this one, and just go to this part, you can see we got these props, outer and download URL. So we need this outer and download URL. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna extract these two properties from the props and just use it here, and just we got the outer and download URL, and now we're gonna display it in here. So we first need this div tag. In the div tag we need a div tag for showing the name, so we can just give it here outer, and again another div, and in here I'm gonna show this image and use it here, image source equal to download URL, and I'm just going to give this all to be like nothing. So that's it, that's what we need. So for now I'm just gonna also create this new file, css for feed.css. so yeah, in here in this feed.js, I'm just gonna import this import dot slash feed.css. now we're gonna just display these two things. so in here I'm just gonna create class name and give the class name is div feed and just use it in our feed.css. now the image should look like the displaying should be look like using display flex to be flex direction to be column, right? And we also need in here this div to have a class name, or you can just give the styling. so in here the styling should be width of 100% and height to be auto and in here you can give the image tag to be width of 100% and height to be 100%, and I'm just gonna save it and back to our code and just going to see what this place should look like. yeah, it's showing good, right? We have to show more we have to do more styling in here. so in here display flags, and I'm going to use the border of 1 pixel solid and give the background to be the border to be hashtag db and and this and give the border radius to be 5 pixel and also margin bottom to be 10 pixel and background color to be white. And now if I just save it, let's see it. Okay, we also give some spacing in here. so in here styling, I'm gonna give this styling. so in here I'm going to give a styling of I'm going to give the padding of 10 pixel and 2 pixel, and also giving the font weight so that it looks bold of 600, or you can give bold in here. And I'm just gonna save it and again go to our home page. You can see that it looks like the same. Now you can say that this part has been done, and now the only part that is to be done is the suggestions.js, and that will be done in the next video. so that's all. Thanks.